Ian's gonna make your Italian girlfriend today.
What?
Someone's clowning.
That was good. Welcome to Kayak Cocktails. Today, you can eat your cukes.
Right.
Today, Dan, Ian, and Derek. I'm Derek. That's Ian. Nope, that's Ian.
I'm Dan.
That's Dan.
That's Ian.
We're gonna make for you. Let's see if I'm gonna die.
I don't know. Watch another video.
Let's see if everything goes dark. You guys won't see this. I'll be dead. But I'm gonna.
Yeah. Oh shit!
It's not. Well, that didn't work, did it? That was the first time that's happened.
We're gonna restart in a minute.
Why did that happen? Hold on. Give me a glass. It might have enough CO2 in it now. Oh yeah, we're fine. There's something missing.
But is it infused or is it just like
it's
water
just
that was
water.
pressured?
I just needed pressurized water.
Okay.
I just don't understand why it's leaking.
Wow, it's leaking a lot.
Is there a club?
It wasn't tight.
Water.
Water.
There's just some club water.
All right. Anyway, so today what we're going to do is we're going to make an Italian girlfriend.
Sweet, finally.
Yeah. So this recipe has 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of amaretto, 4 dashes of orange bitters, and a splash of club
Do we
soda.
all get one? Or was this one to share? Just one to share.
You share the same brothers. We're gonna do.
I'm going first.
Oh, this is a recipe from the Simplifiers. I say the Simplifiers.
The Simplifiers.
I say it like it helps make it a thing, but
yeah,
the name is they're just Simplifier. It's a dude, I think, called Simplifier on YouTube who sent me this recipe when I said, "Hey, I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow. Anybody get any recipes?" And it was like he or she was like, "The following is a crowd favorite at our tiki bar. We open a couple of nights a week at our motor coach.
Motor coach.
Why can't I say that? Motor coach resort every winter. Motor coach. If you say it slowly like that.
Roads.
A motor coach resort. So I don't exactly. I assume it's like a
Motel 6.
Like
a motel.
Yeah.
Like you're pulling your trailer.
Yeah, like a motor coach. Yeah.
But I'm guessing they're in the
camper.
south, right?
Yeah.
Because no one does that here in the winter.
Well, you can't. I mean, no.
Wherever this is, this seems like a winter drink. I don't know, bourbon and amaretto. It's not winter. This recipe happens to be going out on October 7th, so it will be
fallish.
Fall. That's why I put it at the end, because it was like closer to the end of the season where these things kind of pair better.
That makes sense.
I start getting more into bourbon in the fall and then in the winter, and I do enough of that I don't want to do it anymore when spring comes. Maybe a little bit. Like whiskey sours and stuff, but then you're like, oh, I want to get some gins and some tequila.
I get more into bourbons on like Thursday and Friday.
So it's not
those certain days.
It's not.
Yeah, I do wine like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I start getting more.
And then by Thursday, Friday.
Friday, I'm ready to I'm ready to like hammer it down.
I never thought of selecting my beverage based on the day of the week. I thought it was a seasonal thing.
Wow.
But I like your idea.
The seasons happen, and go to the days of the week. So
right. I mean, it stormed out yesterday. It was like chilly, so like it was bourbon day.
Fair enough. I usually go in the quarters of seasons.
Yeah,
I mean, like days of the week, but
that's what happens when you talk to ChatGPT. Like it doesn't give you like another like
reminder.
Like it's like, hey, he's like, it's summer right now.
It's not like,
and you're like, is it? And it's like, yeah.
That's why, like,
I still drink stouts, so
right. She drinks all year. That's why when the Alexa goes off, so I was like, by the way. It gives you more information you don't want to know. Same thing. I need to be like, by the way, you should have a beer today because it's a Thursday.
That's right. By the way, I was listening to you, and I think you need a beer.
Yeah. You sound stressed.
Sound like you might be in a beer mood right now.
Oh, did you just splash it on there?
Yeah. Remember we did that thing where you put it in your mouth? Yeah.
He did.
Picture. This one's not
I don't have where have my phone?
It's right there.
Well,
I got it away from the waterfall.
Oh, it's waterproof. But it's waterproof.
Yeah, that's what it says. And then you're like, fucking seltzer. Like, yeah.
I've had beer covered in my phone.
Saved your life.
Yeah.
He's a hero. Not all heroes wear capes.
Right, that's right. Thank you, Jen.
Someone wore drink
If anyone didn't know, Jen is one of the smartest people I know. Starting to die.
Well, I had a drain half because for some reason it's fucking not on there right.
You didn't cap it.
No, I don't. Yeah, I don't know what I did. Wow, that is a change from some of the other memories we've had.
Is it refreshing?
Huh?
Refreshing with the club?
I would say not as refreshing. I don't know. Refreshing maybe, but like it's got definitely has like that toasty like bourbon flavor, which I haven't had for a while.
That's a good summer night. I get it. That's a good like summer night. You're sitting outside.
But he said Simplifier says winter.
Well, everybody's winter's different.
Well, I mean, if you're opening a tiki bar like in the winter out of
winters in the
it's
summer.
got to be like in the south.
Australia.
I was gonna say Australia has.
They don't break dance, but they can. They can definitely like. It's definitely nice out. Yeah.
That was. I am glad I was.
And they have
not-
kangaroos.
Imagine having to live for that with the rest of your life. Like this is you just went out there and everybody in the internet knows that you don't know how to break dance.
You are now.
I mean, like that's how I dance. I just do it at home.
But you're not in the Olympics.
Right.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
There's a
look.
little difference there.
If you did that at home when we were drinking, we had a
drinking
couple.
were a sport.
Oh,
But if he had a couple of
competitive.
Midori sours and an Aperol sour and he started doing that, I'd be pretty impressed.
Mm.
Like I wouldn't be like that's the worst thing I've ever seen.
No, you like some of those moves. If I pull those off in my kitchen, you'd be like,
Yeah, like, that's pretty
"Shit,
good.
Dan's learned a few things."
Right. Now, if
He's got ants.
yeah, if you got up and said, "You think it's gold medal worthy?" I'd probably go no, but it was entertaining.
A bronze, so I mean,
Probably not bronze.
well,
You know what? Though maybe one of those bar tokens, like
I
those.
mean, qualifying for the Olympics is still pretty good.
No, but at least a bar token.
This is a good drink.
It's sweet and bourbon.
It's, you know what it is though? It makes a bourbon drink approachable to someone that is like getting into bourbon.
Yeah, because it tastes like bourbon, but it's sweet.
But it's got amaretto.
Yeah.
It makes everything
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Like who doesn't like amaretto?
Right.
Right.
Nothing
Communist.
amaretto's in
Eh,
is bad.
Again, like you're a bitch if you don't like amaretto.
See, that's what you should use that when next time you're at your motor coach resort in your wintertime, wherever that is, Alabama, whatever. If somebody says, "I don't know if I like that," you're like, you gotta be a bitch if you don't like that.
That's
You
right.
don't like amaretto.
Yeah, you gotta be a fucking lib.
Yeah.
Just put some orange juice in it and call it a day.
Yes.
Oh, that's cheat codes.
You cannot go wrong with amaretto and orange.
No, you don't.
So
want-
amaretto and orange curacao.
I don't think that's
Oh.
the same.
Not the same,
No.
but not bad.
Fair.
You heard it here first, folks. Not the same.
Not bad. Can we make a sour out of it?
Yeah,
Why not?
you just put lemon in there
Yeah.
Yeah.
And an egg.
If you want an egg,
and
yeah.
an egg and a little bit
Well,
of
you gotta
sugar.
have an egg.
And then you
Again,
got breakfast.
if you make a sour without an egg,
You're a bitch.
you're a bitch.
There's a lot. We have a lot. Like we're very judgmental on how you make your cocktail.
Well, because
Unless you have, like, an
sours
allergy or
need
something.
an egg white.
I don't care if you have an allergy. Just
Yeah.
keep an EpiPen close.
Yeah.
So if you have an allergy, you're either going to need to use some of this Faba foamer or an EpiPen. Like you take a shot. It's like people that have like diabetes. right?
Yeah, or like suck it up.
Sometimes you just
Yeah,
if you're
suck
having
it
a problem, you just
Just
eat a
suck
few
it up.
Skittles. And you call it good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it's
You'll
the
be
same
fine.
thing. Like chocolate bar and a little bit of amaretto.
It'd be more like, take another dose of insulin.
Yeah.
or
If you're drinking sugar
or
stuff.
Skittles.
That's what Shiloh used to do in
Yeah.
teen. He used to eat sugar and then shoot himself up.
Yeah. He would do it in the middle of
Yourself
class.
up.
Yeah. You know, like I'm
Now with
like,
the Omnipod 5, you don't have to.
That's right. Really hungry,
I look behind me on like the desk and I'm like, "Are you eating a bag of Skittles right now?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Aren't you diabetic?" Yeah.
Are you testing it?
Yeah.
I want to
I'm
worse.
like, "Isn't that bad?" He's like, "No, I got my insulin." I'm like, "Okay, but it seems like you could just avoid the insulin if you didn't do this thing."
But then
well, if you're type 1, you can't avoid it.
I don't. He was
Well,
probably.
no, but he was eating candy. Like,
Yeah, I mean, it's
he's
just-
searching. He's searching. He's like, "Wait."
well, it's
I
just
got
your
something.
body doesn't make it at all, so it doesn't matter what
no,
you
I
eat.
know, I
Yeah, so
did that. But
so you can eat it.
If your body doesn't
You
know what
probably should balance yourself, but
No, but if your body can't make it at all, and you would have the same problem eating a Big Mac. Oh, let's go with chicken sandwich. Right, you're gonna have the same problem with the
It
bread.
spikes
and all that.
differently. I've seen that.
You might as
Right?
Swedish
Might
fish
as
for
well
breakfast,
fucking
boom, right up to the
Skittles.
200s. Bagel, not so
Who
much.
would have thought?
bagel, not so much. Carbs.
You-
Well, carbs are low burning, carbs are slow burning.
Sugar.
Sugars out.
You two are the only people I've known that ever have used diabetic testers that aren't diabetic.
Yeah.
Like
People use them for fitness purposes.
Yeah.
you're gonna plug something into your like body for fitness.
Well,
Yeah.
just like you just. It
Shit,
doesn't-
you
don't
would
even feel
if
it.
that thing had AI in it, you'd be like,
That's cool. Let me-
Yeah.
like Derek would be like, I thought about it and then I did it.
Yeah.
You'd be like, Clarissa,
No.
how am I feeling today?
No. If that had AI in it, you'd look and I would be checkered.
Everywhere.
You've got the weirdest armor on, Derek. What is that? What, CGMs?
Yeah, exactly.
Elon's getting there.
He's like, this one makes drinks.
Yeah.
This one does my homework.
This one gives me the insulin after the drink.
There's only one there that actually is.
All right, I think you went way off.
All right, off topic.
Probably off topic, but good time.
Yes.
Italian girlfriend.
Your Italian girlfriend tastes good to me.
Yeah. Simplified. If Simplifiers is it's a well worth drink. I understand why people like it, but looking at the recipe breakdown, I could have told you that before we started. Like it's fucking got amaretto.
Yes.
That's a win. So there you go. Down below, bartender starter kit at awesomedrinks.com. Also, some videos, and that's it. We're teaching how to drink.